Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olga if you're new here. First of all, I wanted to wish you a happy new year. May all your dreams come true and all your hopes be fulfilled. May this year bring you happiness, new goals, new achievements and many new inspirations to your life. And thank you so much for your support. Now let's go back to our DIY adventure. In this video, I'm happy to share with you a simple DIY decor idea that can fit into any interior, as it can be customized by placing different items on it, and it will look great by itself as well. All the products that I used you can find in the description box below. I hope you will enjoy the video and get inspired. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and consider subscribing so you will be notified each time when a new DIY adventure will be up on my channel. So let's get started. For this DIY adventure, I used two 3D wreath forms from Dollar Tree, and I used the larger part that has loops on it. As well, I used one wood plank from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to wrap these two pieces with Jute Twine. One of them is already done, and I'm going to show you how I did that with the second one. First, I'm gluing the twine next to the loop and starting to wrap the twine around and make it tight. And I'm going step by step, wrapping around, make it tight, and gluing the twine with a little bit of glue and continuing with the same technique. At the end, I'm gluing the ends together. To stain the wooden piece, I'm using wax. And give it 2 coats on both sides. Also, I need 4 square pieces from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stain those as well. And glue them to the wooden piece. Next, I'm using cork ribbon and glue it to square pieces. Now it's time to connect the hoops together. For that, I'm using the same jute twine. To go through the loops, I'm applying a little bit of glue on a jute twine. First, I made 2 knots, and before tying the loops together thoroughly, I'm checking how they will be located on the wooden piece. Then I add a little bit of glue and cut enough twine to wrap the hoops together. Before I tie the second loop, I'm checking if it still fits. And the last part is to glue the hoops to the wooden piece. And voila, this is the final look of my simple and easy home decor. I really hope you like that. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this home decor DIY idea. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time when a new DIY adventure will be up on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.